Let me ask you something. If investing really makes people rich, then why do most people never invest at all? It's not because they don't have money, and it's not because they're not smart. It's because no one ever explained investing in a simple way. If you're starting from zero, no money, no experience, no idea where to begin, then this video isn't just motivation. This video is your roadmap. And if you watch till the end, you'll understand investing better than most beginners. First, let's clear the biggest confusion. Investing is not gambling. It's not day trading. It's not chasing crypto hype, and it's definitely not getting rich overnight. That's what social media shows you, and that's exactly why most beginners lose money. Real investing is boring. And that's the secret. Boring is powerful, because consistency always beats excitement. Investing is ownership. Ownership in real businesses, real assets, and real long-term growth. When you buy a stock, you're not betting on price. You're saying, I own a small piece of this business. And when that business grows, your money grows too, even while you sleep. Most people think saving is safe. But here's the truth no one tells you. Saving protects today. Investing protects your future. Inflation quietly erodes the value of your savings every year. Your money stays the same, but its purchasing power goes down. And if your money isn't growing, you're actually moving backward. The real reason beginners fail is not lack of money. It's lack of mindset. They chase fast money, follow random tips, jump on hype, and wait for the perfect time, and that perfect time never comes. When markets fall, they panic. When markets rise, they hesitate. They invest without a plan and then blame the market for their mistakes. The truth is, the market does not reward speed, intelligence, or predictions. The market rewards consistency, patience, and discipline. People who stay calm when others panic, and people who think in years, not days. So here's the simple investing roadmap. Start small, but start now. You don't need big money. You need a habit. Invest monthly. Same amount, same date, no emotions. Market up, you buy. Market down, you buy. This is how beginners win. And focus on boring assets like index funds and high-quality dividend stocks, not viral stocks or hot tips, because boring grows quietly and steadily. Reinvest everything, dividends, profits, returns, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Because wealth grows very slowly at first. So slowly that most people quit, but even before you see big results. Compounding is already working in the background. Real wealth is quiet, no screenshots, no flexing, no noise. Most people trade time for money their whole lives, but investing changes the question from how many hours can I work to how many assets can I own, and that is freedom. If you want quick money, this channel is not for you. But if you want real financial education, a clear beginner roadmap, and a long-term wealth mindset, then you're in the right place. This is Wealth Blueprint, so subscribe now, because the sooner you start, the less you'll regret later, and your future self will thank you.